Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu isn't done yet, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at Shiba Inu, share with you guys our thoughts and opinions. So Shiba is currently sitting at, we're just going to say the end number to keep it simple, 12, guys. We know it's 4 zeros currently showing. I've been telling you guys for the longest, Shiba Inu is about to take a huge hit to the downside, and we could possibly show 5 zeros. Some analysts even expecting to show even more zeros to the downside of Shiba pulling back, guys. So we already beat our first expectations. We came down, showed 5 zeros, guys, and quickly went back up. And I told you guys, I don't believe the reverse back to upside will sustain itself. I do believe Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, the overall crypto market will reverse and come right back down, guys. So you definitely want to be careful, especially if you invested heavily in Shiba Inu. If you invested heavily in the overall market and quality coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, then those are ones you definitely, just want to add to as it pull back if you see the long-term outlook of it. But if you day trading those, you definitely want to exit those as well, guys. So all about perspective, and we're going to give you both perspectives always. So if you day trading, you definitely want to get out. If you're holding those two for the long term, you just want to accumulate and buy on the dips. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, an asset like that, being for the fact that it's up over 43 million% in only a short period of time, this thing could drop drastically. Just as we seen with Terra Luna, that the same thing could happen to Shiba. A royal pool can come, and you'll see $10,000 turn to $100. You never know, guys. So that's why I want people to be very, very careful in this play and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Be very, very mindful, because Shiba Inu volatility, once it starts to be having all the choppiness, it is going to be nothing to play with, guys. So you definitely want to be on the right side whenever it starts to happen. So like I told you guys, once Shiba had cracked 20, just in the end number, it was able to fall and lose a zero to the downside. That happened. Told you guys when Bitcoin fell below 30,000, it could come down to around $20,000 from our previous all-time high in 2018, and it came down to 25K. So I do believe Bitcoin is going to come down, test those levels once more, and possibly come down even lower. So as it do that, you can expect for Shiba and everything else to come down as well. So you already know, guys, like I told you, you definitely want to buy at once you see 5 zeros and below. You don't want to put in all your eggs at one time. You want a dollar cost average in, so you'll be able to stomach all the volatility that you're about to experience with this play. So we know a lot of people are still talking about the $1 Shiba, the $5 Shiba. We ain't even get the 1 cent shit, guys. For Shiba to reach 1 cent, Shiba Inu market cap will be at like $3+ trillion. To put things into perspective, Apple market cap, the world's largest company, prior to being moved down to second place due to an oil giant Aramco coming in and swooping up first place, market cap was previously at $2.3 trillion, the world's largest company. And for Shiba Inu to do that, they will have to burn off a hell of a lot of supply and also have a market cap of $3.2 trillion in order to reach just 1 penny, guys. Being almost, a times and a half big as the world's largest company. That's insane. And to put things more into a perspective, Bitcoin at its peak, when it ran to $66,000, it was at $1.3 trillion market cap. It needs to run to about $115,000 to be exact to match, not 120. It need to run up right around 100K, right around $100,000 to match Apple's market cap, guys. So you already know Shiba Inu has a lot of work to do, but I do believe in Shiba for the long term, the overall future, just as I do with the overall market. But you definitely want to be mindful with how much you invest in companies like like this, such as, but Bitcoin, that's what I really mean when I say I believe in crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the two main ones. But Shiba Inu is like a lottery ticket. So it's like something you definitely want to have in your portfolio, your wallet, because a small investment could, you know, turn your portfolio around massively, and a large investment in something like that could, you know, have your portfolio looking very ugly. So you already know, guys, if it don't go our way that we expecting it to go. So you already know, guys, that's all we got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update on Shiba Inu and prepare you guys for the pullback that's due. And it already came, but I do believe it's going to happen again. It definitely want to shake that tree, scare some people out before crypto take off once again. So you already know what to do. Add me on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Add me up here. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We gone.